They were doing charts and graphs and tracking literally with crayon and pencil. So with L2L, we were instantly able to take them into the future and give them something that would allow them to digitally make a difference very quickly.
No more writing, no more paper, no more piles of paper. Just go in, type it in. We're done. We're walking away. Saves so much time.
I don't think there's anybody that would want to go back to doing things the way they were without lean and lean.
You can click back and forth to your work orders. You can click around your parts. You couldn't do that. You're writing them on paper all the time and handing it to this person and this person. And I can access L2L from here. I can access my line from here. And so, yes, it's way more efficient and modern.
What I have in front of you is, this is 1 week's worth of data for our finishing department. So there's 52 stacks of those that we were turning in every year. This is 1 month's worth of our PM data. All of this is soft now. So you eliminated the paperwork, but it's a huge win to where all of this gives us a score immediately at where people are, whether it's production, whether it's training, where we are in taking care of equipment, or our environmental safety compliance.